To give some perspective on how tall these walls are.
Mother, father.
Jazz, what are you doing?
Jazz, let's go!
In our last video, we were thrilled to report to you all that we successfully passed both our electric and plumbing rough-in inspections on the second go-around. While we took a weekend to rest and recover following that whole ordeal, we haven't stopped to rest on our laurels. Now we go into the final phase of the build and things are about to get busy.
Good morning. Yes.
We're here.
We're here. So let's just get straight to it. So one of the first things that we're trying to do is we're trying to get these walls covered, the ceiling including. I want to get the ceiling done as fast as possible. I was going to go into town and pick up a bunch of stuff. We were going through it and then we were like, look at the delivery costs, and we chose to deliver. The biggest benefit of me picking it up was I ordered the wrong insulation. Yeah, we're gonna make it work. We're either gonna make it work or I'm gonna take more time and return it. So we went with fiberglass, which I actually hate. I don't know, maybe it's just like a stigma for me, because I remember in our storage room when I was a child, it was an unfinished storage room. It wasn't an attic, but it had exposed fiberglass, and you basically like needed to go in there with a mask on, because you're just like, or you go in there and you start fumbling around and then you start getting itchy. So, but what I am a fan of is the price. So that was the most affordable. If I would have got the right one in the first place, it actually would have saved us a couple $100. So shame on me. It's just the wrong width. So what we're gonna do is on the sides, it is the correct width, 24 inches on center. These are 16. So I'm gonna try to make it work. Again, this is not a how-to video series. This is how we are doing this. And so please don't follow my lead. It's gonna look like shit. It's gonna look like shit. I guarantee it.
Buy the right size stuff.
Yeah, buy the right size stuff.
That's our advice.
Yeah, exactly.
That's our how-to. Buy the right size.
I did not film this. Shame on me again. I kind of was like, I'm gonna clean. That's not really interesting. I'm not gonna record anything. So I was like, oh, I need to move this drywall. I'm gonna just throw it up on the wall. And so there we go. There's drywall.
The momentous occasion of putting the first drywall on the wall, I also was not a part of.
She was not, no. I did get a picture of that one. The very, very, very first one. And so this was leftover drywall from Chelsea's office.
You can see a little bit more. Oh look, drywall. There's a wall. Basically you pass rough-in inspections and then it's like, okay, just do everything everywhere all at once.
Yep, we have a lot to do.
That's kind of why Brian's like, I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna put drywall on, I'm gonna finish this, I'm gonna insulate, I'm gonna do blah. Our strategy is just like, do it all.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
I can see Chelsea and I and the dogs and whatnot actually living here and being a space that is a home. It's a house. It's a building, but it represents so much more and has like so many of the things that we desired and yearned for years ago. It's just like, you know, I get choked up thinking about it. I'm like, wow, we're doing it. You know, I saw in Chelsea. It's like one reason. This is bad is I'm adding another step because I'm gonna have to cut each piece, but at the same time I'm also doing like 3 rows at a time as if I do 2. So if I do 2 rows at the same time, I'm actually gonna hit 2 rows of the insulation, the bat. So don't do it like this. Is not a how-to. I've never seen anyone do this before. I screwed up. I'm just a man who, like, my cares are just like, man, I just want to get it done. So we got drywall yesterday as well. So we put a couple of sheets of drywall up because we had leftovers from when we did Chelsea's office, but we have a plan to get electricity hooked up over here. So technically we have electricity in here. It's just through an extension cord. I just have it hooked up to the RV, so it's not enough power. But we're gonna have, but it's enough power. Sorry, it's enough power for what I need to do for the pellet stove and other tools, and I still have the EcoFlows. They're awesome. Didn't get too far in insulation yesterday, as you can see. It's one row, I didn't even finish it. Yeah, I wouldn't say ran into problems. I'm just slow at it. Shoulders are tired, and then I'm gonna do some planning. I forget sometimes I gotta plan out a lot of things for like solar and stuff, so I actually had to figure a lot of stuff out for that. Today, Chelsea's not here. Again, got more of me. I think what I'm going to do is start doing some drywall on the lower part of the walls. Yeah, I can do some of it by myself, but we're gonna maybe stay off some of the ladders, you know, just in case I do fall off, because there have been times where, believe it or not, I've fallen. So I don't know, I might do insulation too. I'd like to finish this column, row, whatever direction you're looking at it, but it's very boring. I can tell you that much. I don't know how it is to watch us or watch anybody install some of this stuff. I forgot to turn this on.
It looks like a house in here. That's crazy. What is this? It's a house. He did things while I was gone.
A few things.
Hello.
What's up? I got help today.
Finally.
Yeah.
Man, I've been like just working all week. Not on this house.
She's been working.
Changing
hard.
jobs. It's hard.
I'm excited to have help. Very, I don't know, working by myself on this project it's okay.
Yeah.
Like, I'm just like, just do it. I just gotta do it. But like sometimes, like when I start the day, I'm just, yay. But I mean, mainly because it's like a bunch of like, right now we're in a phase, I think, that we're in a repetitive, it's the same but different in each room, putting up drywall. I don't get a dopamine release from any of this at all. But a lot of times it's like, when do you feel this or when do you feel that? I was like, when it's done.
When everything's done.
When everything's done, like that big project, finishing the plumbing. While I'm doing it, I'm like, oh, it's cool to see, cool. But it was like, when it was done, it's like, whoa.
Yeah.
I don't have to do plumbing anymore?
Yeah.
I don't have to run any more wire anymore?
I mean, there's stuff that makes a big visual difference. Like you were saying, I'd rather do drywall. This is what Brian said. I'd rather do drywall because at least when it's up, it's like, oh, it looks totally different and the
Yeah.
insulation's covered. At this point, we're just kind of jumping around doing whatever we kind of feel like doing.
Yeah.
Because it all needs to get done.
It needs to get done. Very excited to get it done.
Very excited to get it done. I really am though.
I'm very excited for the. It's like, do you enjoy the journey or the destination? I'm really excited to be at the destination.
We've been in the journey for a long time.
Yeah.
Jazz, what are you doing?
Yes, let's go. I was gonna try to do this by myself the other day.
Where are you now?
I was probably going to, and then you were home soon. Yeah.
Oh gosh, okay, got it. All right.
Nobody told me a shovel. Super bright.
Turn the sun on high. Open anything?
Cool.
What kind of screws are those?
These are self-tapping drywall screws. So the reason they're self-tapping is this little thing here. And it's like a drill bit. It'll drill into the metal, and it's the screw will do the rest. It'll screw itself in like a screw. Screw.
Fascinating.
Alright, so let's go ahead. Okay. Why is it going reverse?
The drywall definitely makes it feel like a house though.
Yeah.
Which I guess maybe I said about the plumbing and electric, but
The more you put in it,
yeah.
it seems more housey.
Maybe it's just the comfort that comes from doing something we've done before. A little bit. I can try this.
Actually, hold on. Just get like at least 2 or 3 in there. Oh, you're probably good. Cool. These doors are so small.
Compared to the monster one to the bedroom.
Yeah. I mean, this one's the same height. I guess we're small because we're shorter.
If you're new to our channel and like what you see, why not hit that subscribe button? And if you want to continue to support us as we film our homesteading journey, head to the description box below and hit the Patreon link or the YouTube membership link. Paid supporters of Line Up the Stars get exclusive behind-the-scenes content, the weekly updates newsletter, and the annual holiday postcard. Your support enables us to continue making videos moving forward. We'll see you next week as we work on drywall, continuing that ceiling insulation, and moving forward on getting power to our house.
All right, you have a lot of editing to do with this 14-minute video intro.
Yeah, I do. I'm sick.
Oh, yeah.
Love you.